Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're having a beautiful day out here. It's very warm, but not too warm. The water is very placid and it's just a really pleasant day. So I had to do this video out here and show you what I just got. UPS just dropped off that package for me. And it's a package of one package of two, which I ordered two things. The second one is on the way to me, and I didn't want to wait to do a video. I wanted to show you this one today, and when I get the other package, I'll do another video. And the company that this is from is one of my all-time favorites. It's Go Forth Goods, and I am so happy to share this experience with you because I've been very excited about this purchase. So here I go. I'm going to open it here. I did the sides, but I didn't do the middle because doing the sides and the middle would take me too long. Let's open it. Okay. I think there were two items in here. And it looks like they are wrapped up. They have done such a fabulous job and come a long way. Go Forth Goods is an amazing company. They have products that you can't get anywhere else. They're absolutely amazing. It's very beautiful, well-made products. And I'm so lucky and so happy to show this to you now. I don't even remember what this is because I was expecting two packages, so I really don't know what this is yet. I kind of could see over here what it might be, and I think this is a package with two items. Yes. So here I have, the first item is, wow, wow. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is a fanny pack. This is absolutely stunning. Oh, I'm a little floored. I was not expecting it to be this beautiful. It's gorgeous. This is the hide, and please forgive me. I'm a little rusty with what things are because I haven't had an order with Go Forth Goods in several months. And that's a long time for me when you're in your 70s and to remember what it is. But this is the peanut hide. It's just beautiful. Now, the hide doesn't come from peanuts. It comes from a bison. But peanuts is the name that it was given by the company so that you could order it, because they have a lot of bison items. So they differentiate it in between just the name and the category. So this particular one is called peanut. They have saddle and, so forth like that. Oh, there is the strap. I was wondering, I thought it was still in there. This is the strap. Look at this inside. It has a top entrance, which is the main compartment, and it has a front entrance, which is smaller in area and depth. This is really big in area. This is the strap that goes with it, and it is adjustable. And I'll just put it on right now. It hooks onto these I guess you would call them D-rings. And there's one on this side. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect size actually for me. Now you could wear this two ways. You could wear it like this as a crossbody. I'll just shut this so it looks a little neater. They have big zippers. Has to break it in a little bit on that one. Now I usually carry, I had one before which I sold stupidly. I so regret the ones that I sold. But I usually wear this when this kind of a thing, when I take Izzy for a walk outside, because I like to hear music most of the time. But there's another way to wear this. You don't have to wear it as a crossbody. You could adjust this and make it a shoulder bag. Or my favorite way to do it is, it would have to be tighter for me, and I really don't really know how to adjust it right now, but I'll give you how it's supposed to look. It's going to have to be adjusted a lot, but I like to wear it on my belly like this. I think it's sexy. I think it looks pretty. I like it like this, but it's not adjusted now. I'll have to play around with it later. Of course, it's brand new and probably a little stiff for me to do. I'll do it later so I don't mark up the strap. So this is the first item, the fanny pack. I love it. It's gorgeous. It has such a great feel. Very smooth. Very smooth. Very happy with this. Now there's something else in there. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. This is their small version of, oh my God, it's so cute. This is the small version of the, what did they call this again? Oh gosh, when I'm pressed for remembering something, it's not coming to me. I know it starts with an S. This is I'm going to move on and not say a name right now, because I know it will come for me. This is the small version. Let me open this. And it's so cute. And in here is the strap. And this strap that I ordered is the 1-inch strap. It comes with a 3/4 inch strap. I like the 1-inch strap because I like it a little thicker. And if I can't come up with a name, I will write it on top when I upload the video. I'm so sorry I can't come up with a name right now. I'm going to be 74 and I am having name issues, but I thought it was just people, but I guess it's not. Yeah. So you attach it like this. Also on D-rings. It's the Jane. I'm so glad because it's a regular name, and regular names I seem to can't remember them. It takes me a while. It does. So this is the Jane. I'm really sorry that I forgot that, but I'm very happy with it. The other one is bigger. This is the new small one that I have never seen in person before, and this is in the color saddle. It's beautiful. It has a beautiful texture. I requested to get the smooth one because they advertise this with the smooth one, and I just love the look of it. I have a lot of bags that are pebbled, and I just wanted the smooth one in this one for some reason, and I like it a lot. This is how it looks on the bottom, the sides. Inside the bag, and I love it. It's very soft, and it's a great size. That's the thing. When you don't want to carry too much, I'm trying not to fall down the steps. Perfect. When you don't want to carry too much, when you're running to the store and you don't want to carry everything, this is a great size. This is a combination of 2 colors, actually. This is saddle, and this is the straps I ordered in mocha, not saddle. And the straps always have the Go Forth Good insignia on it, which is over here. And I have all the information written down I probably have the name too, written down, which I will read to you. In here, you have a pocket in the back, which I always put my keys in that. And look at how, it's really nice, really clean. The way they did this is, I don't know who made this bag personally, but they did an excellent job. It's very beautiful. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to be ordering another one of these. I have 2 Janes that are bigger, full size, and I have the dimensions of this, which I want to tell you. I love it. I'm very happy with it, very excited, and I'm excited that I remembered it so I could tell you. Let's see where my notes are. There they are. I know there's other goodies in the box. I want to show you what they put in. And they sent a keychain with the this is the 10-year anniversary of their business, which is a great business. I recommend it to everybody. This is a little patch, and this is their business card. Go forth goods. Oh no, I'll look that up later. goforthgoods.com. Now, yes, this is called the small Jane. I'll hold it up for you. And the small Jane is it's American sourced leather. The leather is 7 ounces of full grain leather. And I really needed to read this because this is my first video since last September. So it's almost a year. So I really need to catch up. It's not going to be that much longer in between the next video. I promise that. It has, it's hemmed. It has a hem top. It is solid brass Y2K. Oh, this is solid brass YKK. Is it Y2K or YKK? Let me see. YKK zipper, and the zippers are really nice. Really, really nice. Let's do this again. It's the handles that are in the way. The handles and the zipper is really nice, and it's a solid YKK zipper, and it's handmade, durable, 10-ounce full grain leather. And this is right off the hide. This is the full hide. This is the back of the hide, and this is what you would see if it was on the animal. And this must have been a beautiful animal. I love this green. It's really beautiful. I love it. I'm going to start wearing it today. Where can I go? I gotta go somewhere. The strap is adjustable from 44 to 48 inches. I love the thickness of this. Now I'm going to really have to wear it, either this hole or even the smallest hole, because I like it a little shorter, but I didn't want to fuss with it too long. I'm on a roll as it is right now. I don't want to ruin it. This is called Peanut Bison, I told you. And there's a new way of ordering on Go Forth Goods, and I used to be able to order in a different way, but now you have to tell them, you don't have to, but if you wanted to look a specific way, you tell them how you want it to look. And what I told them how I wanted it to look is that I wanted a dark hide for this color. And that's what I got. I got a dark hide. And you can see the thickness of this leather right here. Look at that. That's so thick, so well made. I just can't wait to put my things in it and take it out. also, this is, I think I told you everything about it. It has the front pocket, and that's all I have on it. I have information on the other item though, so I could show you that, tell you that what that is. But I love this. I'm going to order another one like this in a different color. I love it. It's very lightweight. I believe this is about 1 pound. That's this. Now getting back to this bag. This information is that this is the deluxe leather fanny pack, and it's also a waist bag, and that's exactly what I was showing you before. I like how the waist is. I like to wear it on the waist. I do wear it on the shoulder too, but I like the waist better because I think, like I said, I think it looks sexy. And it's this is 7 ounces of full grain leather. It's hand hemmed. The zipper is solid brass YKK zipper. It has 4 interior pockets. Oh no, I need those notes. 4 interior pockets. I didn't see that. Let's see. I don't see where it says 4. I must have got that wrong. It has 2 interior pockets actually. This is the main compartment, and as I showed you before, this is the non-main compartment, which is smaller. But you have access here, and you have access 2 ways. And this is a repeat of a bag that I had and mistakenly sold, and I'm so glad I got a beautiful one to come back with me. My other one was beautiful too, and I regretted it, but I'm glad I was able to replace it. And this strap is adjustable from 44 to 48 inches, and this is going to be on me every day when Izzy and I are out, and she's smelling all the grass and everything, and I am listening to music. So I'm very happy with my delivery. When I saw the box it was just 1 box, I thought I'm only getting 1 of the items today, and this is such a good surprise. Really excited to have everything. Yes, I'm very, very happy to be active on Go Forth Goods. I've been away a couple of months, and it's so good to be back. I love their stuff. I love their stuff. I really do, and I'm really glad to have these items. I'm so glad to get to talk to you guys. So sorry about my memory. I am actually on Prevagen, and I do think it's working, but I have an issue with remembering names for some reason. That's the only thing. It has nothing to do with thinking or facts. It's just names. I guess, you know, that happens when you're 74. And I'm going to be 74 in a couple months, so I guess I'm getting a head start. Well, I love you guys, and I'm so happy that you're here today and spending this day with me. I love you, and I will see you in the next video, and I will speak to you in the comments. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. I'll hope to do another video soon. Take good care, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.